Do, do, do. Yo, what up, traders? Can you guys hear me? I tried to go live this morning, but something wasn't working. Let me know. All right, cool. You could hear me. Great. How you guys doing this afternoon? Nice. All right, you guys could hear me. Good, great. So the markets are coming back, huh? Making a little comeback here. I think I posted, or it might have been on my Instagram actually. 11,500 for NASDAQ. If we saw some kind of a rally today, which we almost made it there. Got like 40 points away. I also put in the chat on the Discord earlier that I'll be watching 33.29 in S&P. Looks like we got a little above there, and then we're coming back a little afternoon pullback action. But this might set up for a rally into the close. We'll see. We shall see. I haven't taken any positions today. All I did was close Zoom. Zoom went zooming down pretty bad. So I just hopped out of that one. It was getting close to my risk tolerance, so there's no reason to hold it out. And since then it's just been pew. Fell a lot more since we got out. But yeah, the daily structure was broken, so it was like, all right, time to get out of this guy, because who knows what's going to happen below 506, 507-ish. So got out of that. And now I'm just left with Snow and Nike. Nike bouncing a little better. Snow's kind of doing its own thing here. Definitely looking a little weak today. But it's a new IPO stock, so the moves are going to be pretty volatile. But realistically, looking for a move up to 300, then 319, potentially new highs. But yeah, those positions are doing all right today. And yeah, that's it. We're just going to look at the markets here, see what we got for the rest of the day. S&P, if we could get above 33.29 and close above there, the next level above 33.29 we're going to have is pretty much like the middle of this range, which is going to leave us at 33.96. So somewhere around 3,400 would be the next stop, maybe tonight. You know how the selling likes to shut off in the after hours session. So they could easily get this back up to 3,400 by tomorrow with these kind of markets. Why didn't I join the Neo train? I don't really care to join any train. I just like to see good setups. Neo would have been one of them. Just too high now. It would have been great if you bought it a couple days ago. But yeah, 31. Crazy move. Crazy move. But yeah, Neo, we could do some more targets here with Neo. Grab a little extension tool. Go from those previous highs to these. Kind of right at that last extension. So this thing's really extended. Next level would be like 35.64. But yeah, I'm not buying up here. 35 calls, yeah, I saw that coming in. A bunch of repeat buyers on those 35 calls. But yeah, I don't see a trade in Neo. Apple earnings are after the bell, right? So this is an interesting one. This is a rally into earnings. We'll see what happens after hours. Maybe I'll stick around. But this might be a good candidate for a little earnings trade. We'll see. We shall see. What I like to do on earnings is, you know how right when the bell closes, you know, the candles start going crazy. I like putting my bids down here, like 100, 200, 300 shares down here. Or we can even look at the expected move, see what they're expecting for today. So if we go to our handy dandy options chain, the expected move is plus or minus $5.60. So we'll see where it closes at. And then the expected move is going to be $5 from there. So yeah, that would be reasonable to put your bids like down at 112-ish. If we get like one of those flushes and then a pop back up. But the earnings trades haven't been good, really. Well, for me at least. Yeah, I use market profile for futures and pretty much just price action, couple moving averages. But yeah, it's been a wild week. Kangaroo market, yeah, definitely. Whoa. What's up with Netflix? Increasing its plan to $14. I guess that'll do it, huh? Algos are kicking in, firing away on those headlines. Jesus Christ. That's a crazy move. Appreciate that, Ken. But yeah, let's see what the markets are up to. S&Ps, I think, so if we look at NASDAQ, NASDAQ's got a much bigger rally than S&P today. And NASDAQ still has room to go to my target, 11,550. But we're making our way. S&P is kind of slowing down or moving a little slower behind to get back to its kind of middle level of this daily range, which is 3,400. So this thing's got ways to go. Do I think it could get there? Yeah. Do I think here is the time to short it? I don't think so. I think if we could get back to 3,400, it would be a good short. But yeah, that's just my way of going about getting into shorts. We kind of missed the move from 3,400, the first move. I wish I was in some hedges. I wasn't. But yeah, would have been nice to have a hedge on. I had some hedges on last week, closed those a little early, as we could see. But it's all right. It's okay as long as we manage our risk. We don't get clapped. This is just a squeeze indicator. It's like a mix of MACD and a bunch of other stuff. If you lost money in the chop, what would you recommend? Just make sure you're not risking too much money in these kind of conditions. Like, now's not the time to be going big on bets, like 15% positions or 10%. I've just been keeping it low. I'm trading a bigger account than most people, I think. So I do like 5% positions, but like on something like Tesla, sometimes I would go up to like 15%. So I wouldn't be doing that right now. I wouldn't be going 15%. I'd just be keeping it low. Risk, trade lightly right now, because there's just been market's been going nowhere. So there's no real direction. So if you're losing money in the chop, I guess it's kind of normal, but you just want to keep that as low as possible and not continue to hold your losing trades. Make sure you cut them out. But if you find yourself losing money on a trade more than you wanted to, just close it out and go cash and wait for another setup. How do you come back from losses? You just find new setups. And don't worry about them. Forget about them. The money's gone. Yeah, with the election next week, definitely be careful. And with the COVID still going on, the cases going up, places in Europe going into lockdown again, we might be doing that over here. So there might be some buying opportunities coming up. Another flush lower potentially. Yeah, I know. We just saw Netflix. Shit's crazy. Netflix said, "Yo, I'm here." I don't know if there'll be a sell-off in Neo or the markets after the election. I have no clue. If I knew, it would make trading a lot easier. But yeah, this thing seems like it's got its running boots on. Yeah, if we lock down, Zoom probably rallies again. It's just been pulling back after its crazy move. But yeah, the most important thing you can do if you're making money with trading is make sure you're withdrawing. I try to withdraw like at least 2.5% a week out of my account. Because the market will take it back quicker than ever. So you want to make sure you're taking that and putting that in your pocket before the market takes it back. Because we could be in times like this where it's harder to make money. The market's just going sideways for a while. We don't know how long it's going to last. So just make it like a business, not a game. You want to trade, make money, withdraw it, keep going. Facebook earnings. This one's after the bell too, huh? And Amazon. Damn, all three of them. Well, if they all pull a move like Snapchat and Pinterest, then the Nasdaq should be able to rally to that 11,550. But as far as earnings, I don't know if I would touch it here. Not really. I haven't been doing good with the earnings trades, so I don't really like them. Not even the earnings trades, like the trades going into earnings. Last one I think was Tesla. Tesla. Not the stock it used to be. It used to go crazy. A lot of volume on Facebook calls. Let's see. Oh yeah. This is all today. A lot of people buying these 300s for this week for tomorrow's expiration. Sheesh. Sheesh. Do I do in-person mentorships? I don't. at the moment. In Bergen County, nice. Where in Bergen County? But yeah, Facebook, there's a lot of volume on the 300, so I wouldn't be surprised if it ramped up there, but I am not taking a trade on it. That's 1,000% a gamble. Same thing with Apple. Where's Apple at? Holy shit. There's so much volume on them. People love their weeklies, man. These aren't even like a monthly expiration. These are straight up weeklies. But the expected move is $5. So from here, 116, what is that, 121? So yeah, they got the 121s. A lot of people on those. Shit. Or no, these are the 120s. 121s. Everybody's on the 120s. Yeah, Netflix. I think last week I saw a bunch of 500 calls. Yeah, so there's 6,000 contracts being held before today. More on the monthlies. East Rutherford, nice. I was looking at some real estate in Rutherford. Yeah, trading and investing, two totally different things. The best thing to do with trading, when you're trading options, is find like setups that last a couple days, so you don't really have to watch them all day. And yeah, just going for like 2.5% a week. That doesn't mean you can't go over it. That's just a good target to withdraw every week. Ooh, there's some history today. Anybody guess it? What's today? There's an anniversary today. What is it? Winner gets $50. If you could tell me what today's anniversary is. Nobody's gonna get it. I'll give you guys till 4 p.m. Oh, never mind. You'll get until now PM. Carry coming in hot. She got it. Or he, carry. 1929 crash. 1929 crash. That was on October 29th. 1929. Billions of dollars were lost. I could only imagine what the hell was going on. 1929, trying to sell your stocks. I don't even want to know. That's what was going on. Big dumps. Yeah, Carrie, hit me up on Instagram. And you'll get your 50 bucks. PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin, whatever the hell you want. Should beat you to it, Ski Man. But you were wrong anyway. How many years is that? 91, I think. But looks like this is just a little afternoon pullback. Let's check out the 5-minute chart. Oh, so sweet. Donate it to your local food bank in memory of those who lost all of their stocks in 1929. You're a great person. But yeah, markets here just kind of rebounding a little bit. Monday was obviously pretty ugly. Tuesday didn't do shit. Tuesday night is where the second part of this sell-off happened. And then yesterday continued. Overnight of last night didn't do much. And today we are rebounding. This is the biggest rally we've seen all week. Yeah, Apple. That's why I don't like playing earnings. They could be good. They could, be making a shit ton of money. And then they have something little, like some future stuff that they have planned that lowers expectations, and then it just flops. What about Amazon? Amazon is lower than all the other ones. Like Tesla and Apple, when they reported their last earnings, the price now is like 100% higher. Amazon's like literally right where it was when it reported its last earnings, right? Look down here. Last earnings were on 7/30. That was right here, and we're literally like within $100 of that. So Amazon's probably the best bet if you're gonna do some kind of lotto play or something. Probably have some good earnings, right? What's Amazon's expected move? 123 schmeckles, huh? So wait, let me look at Apple. Apple is actually lower, $4. So $123 from here is what, 33.50, something like that. Let's see if there's any kind of trades we could do. Where's it at? Yeah, Neo long term, I have no clue. I haven't really been paying attention to what they do, Neo. But yeah, I'd rather just buy Tesla. Yeah, in the monies are always the best. Or the better, less riskier play. Under Armour, what is it, UA? I do want to do something on Amazon though. Under Armour, nice little rally. This is a stock that just follows the markets really, so not really interested in that. Chart does look good though for United Under Armour. S&P. Want to see if we get any MOC numbers. Market on close. Anybody see anything yet? I don't. Looking at a butterfly on Amazon. Kind of a lotto play, cheap. Buy butterfly. And I'm just looking at the expected move, so you just want to pin it at the expected move, which is like 33.50. This is what it would look like here. 135 to make 2,300, and that's if it pins right at 33.50 if it closes there tomorrow. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do the opposite side, like the put side, in case it drops down to there, down to wherever minus 120 is from here. Since the expected move is 123, I would do something near like 30, what is it, 3105 or something. So I'm just going to do the opposite. Two little small lotto trades. If one of them hits, I'll make money. So we would do 3130, 3130. The middle would be what? What did we just say? 3105. Do 3105 and then 3080. So basically you buy one on the outside, sell two in the middle, and then buy another one on the outside. And that's like the same, a little cheaper now. 93 to make 2,400. Not getting filled on the put side. There we go. All right, so those are just two kind of lotto trades, if you will. I'm gonna type them out in the chat real quick. Playing Amazon earnings based on expected move, which is $123. I bought a butterfly that It's a butterfly, not a call debit spread. I'll send the screenshot what it looks like when it's filled. Butterfly is an option strategy. Yeah, so look. If you go over here, you would go, like, let's say the expected move is 123, right? You right click, you go to buy, butterfly, and then when you come down here, it'll say, so you see I already have those two on here, the butterflies. You go down here, let's make it a one lot, and then what did we do? We did this is the call one, so we did 33.25, 33.25. So you go do that. Then the middle one is where we think price is going to go. Okay, so 123 bucks from here is like 33.50. So that's why the middle strike is 33.50, because that's where we think it's going to end up at tomorrow's close. And that's where you would make your maximum profit. And then the other leg is just a little higher. So basically we're buying the 33.25, selling two of the 33.50s, and buying one of the 33.75. And that cost about $1.13. So this is good for small accounts. And if we just go and see what it is, 100 would make 2,400 tomorrow if we close at 33.50. And then you do the same thing on the put side. So we don't know if it's going to go up 123 or down 123. So you do the same exact thing on the downside. And we did the 31.30 puts, then we bought the 31.05, and then we sold the 30.80s. You can see that right here. Same exact thing. But that's a butterfly. Just another option strategy. I guess I'll have to add that into the course now, since I just did this, and this will be a good example. No, we're buying it. So when you're buying something, you want it to go up. We're buying it cheap and trying to sell it more expensive. No, it's not 3K. You did it wrong. Make sure you're on October 30th expiration. And make sure you're on one lot. Go into Tastyworks and click the butterfly strategy. Alright, somebody, Jake Ricky sold a put credit spread on Apple. Let's check that out. A little lotto play on Apple for tomorrow. So he did a put credit spread in the money. $121 by, what did he do? 121 by 120. So it costs about 70 cents. Make this a one lot so you guys can see. About 70 cents to make 70. So your max loss on this is 30 to make $70. Basically what he's doing here is looking at the expected move, $4. Price right now is 116. So as long as it stays under 121, you'll collect that full 70. Just like a spread, the butterfly. You're paying a debit and you're trying to sell it for more. I'll make a video on it later. Put it in the course. Yeah, you could just let the put credit spread expire worthless. We just talked about two earnings lottos, Amazon and Apple. So, election next week. Last time Trump got elected, what happened to the futures? What happened to future? Don't really remember what happened, but since then the markets have rallied. And everyone was expecting Hillary to win. So, and right now I think everyone's expecting Biden to win. But they were wrong last time. So who the hell knows? If my call is down 95% and it expires tomorrow, yeah, just say let it expire. You might as well. You're down 5%. I mean, you only got 5% to go, so another 5 won't hurt. Who knows? But at that point, down 95%, you might as well just leave it and pray that it comes back up tomorrow. But yeah, at that point, you're kind of toast, so I don't know. You might as well just hold it. Yeah, I think they were limit down when they found out Trump was going to win, and then the next day they were green. Let's do a poll. Doing a poll in the Discord. I'm about to post it in Discord in the free section. Oh boy, Trump's winning by a landslide here. Alright, so let's check out Amazon. Might try to buy some stock. Some stonk. I just fucked it all up. Okay, let's see. Damn, did they already announce? Fuck. I guess I ain't gonna get it. I was gonna place orders to buy at like 3,200. But don't look like I'm getting it. Yeah, so I might as well not even do it. So were the market makers right or no? The move was 123. So that put us up to like 33.50. We almost made it. So we're still within the expected move, which means the market makers are right. Yet again. So far, so far. All right, so the poll, we got 128 votes for Trump and 55 for Biden. I said, who do you think will win the election? But yes, besides the election, today only trades closed out Zoom for a loss. Yes, I lost money on Zoom. What the hell? Where did this volume come in from? What the hell? Get that out. Volume. Where's the regular one? Nope. Well, figure that out later. Who else had earnings? Facebook. Google, holy smokes. What was their expected move? 64 bones. Wow. So Google closed at around 1550 and the expected move was 60. So that puts us to 1610. They are blowing this shit out the wazoo. Holy smokes. Damn. That's crazy. That's awesome. Josh, I missed your message. If I put 100K into the market and was up 200K, now I'm down to 75K. Ooh. Should I just take it out and run? Are you day trading or were you... Is that long-term account? I don't know. If it's a day trading account and you put 100K in and you got up to 200K and you let it go down to 75, that is a problem. If you put 100K in and you were day trading and you got it to 200,000 without withdrawing, you gotta have a better business plan, man. But if it's long term and that was just equity and it came down a bit and now you're in the red, that's tough still. Facebook, there they go. What about Apple? Nothing yet with Apple. Google's by far the craziest. Jesus Christ. All-time high is 1726. This thing is going to go up there. My lord. But yeah, we have no clue where these things open up. Look at Amazon. Came all the way back. Bezos. Nah, Google is by far the craziest one of the day. Of the week. Because they blew away the expected move, which was 60 bucks. This thing has moved double that. Yeah, as far as those butterflies, just depends where these things open at. Amazon's already starting to fade. But yeah, that'll do it. I'm gonna hop out of here. I'll post these exits for you guys late or tomorrow. See where these things open up. And yeah, that'll do it for me. Now that I just looked at Activision. Now that I look at Activision, it's doing one of those flush lower moves that I like. When's Apple reporting? Probably like 5 o'clock. Which one of you guys bought it up here at 298? Who was it? But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll keep you guys posted tomorrow. Thanks for hopping on the live stream. If you don't have the options course yet and you want to see me live stream every day, it's discounted until October 31st. Price will be going up another 100 schmeckles. So yeah, and I'll put a link down below if you want some free stocks. If you open a Webull account with $100, you get 2 free stocks. But yeah, if you want to learn more about these options, trades, and strategies, go get the options course. It's down below. And I'll keep you posted on my trades tomorrow. And have a great night. I'll see you guys later. Hope you had a great week. Peace.